Okay, hi guys. So this is the fourth time that I'm now trying to record this video. Hopefully the fourth time is going to be the charm. Hope y'all's day is going better than mine is right now. So the first time I tried to record this, I tried to do it on the document camera so I could actually physically write it out like I do in class for y'all, but it would not record my audio, so I couldn't do that. So you guys should have taken these notes already on Thursday of last week. Scroll down to the bottom so you could see everything that you should have written already. I want to jump on and give you a quick video about this energy pyramid right here. So this is an energy pyramid. Each one of these different levels is called a trophic level. So I'm just going to add some notes here. So trophic level. Each level in an energy pyramid. Okay, so if I were to say what organisms belong in trophic level number 3, you would go 1, 2, 3 and tell me what organisms belong here. So that's what we're going to tackle next, is which organisms go in which level. This bottom level down here is where we're going to have producers. Producers, as you guys know, are plants, autotrophs, or any, let me make sure we can get it down where we can see it, or any organism that can perform photosynthesis. Okay, so they belong in this first trophic level. Then we're going to go up to the second trophic level, and this is where we're going to have primary producers, or primary consumers. Sorry. Primary consumers consume, or we're going to say actually eat, it's easier, producers. And what's another term, y'all think about this in your head, for an organism that only consumes vegetation or plants? Take a second to think. It is herbivores. Okay, then we're going to go up to the third level. And this is going to go out of the pyramid a little bit because I obviously am not going to be able to fit it in this little space. So these are secondary consumers. I'm going to try to pull them like this way. Yeah. Okay, secondary consumers eat primary consumers. Okay. So they eat primary consumers. Organisms, here's a little bit of a misconception that if an organism belongs in this secondary consumer category, it cannot also belong in the primary consumer category. That's not true. They can. Think about organisms that eat both plants and animals. So if they're eating an animal, then they're going to be in the secondary consumer level. But if they're eating a plant, then they're going to be in this primary consumer level. Okay, so they could be in either one. And then finally, up here at the top, and this is definitely going to go out of this pyramid, so sorry, you guys, bear with me. These are called tertiary consumers. We're also going to say apex predators. Give you guys some more vocabulary. So tertiary consumers or apex predators belong in the top level of an energy pyramid. So let me ask you a question. Thinking about all of these different vocab terms, if you guys were to walk into a forest, what's the first thing that you're going to see? You can say it all out. It's going to be plants or trees, right? Is it going to be bears? No. You're going to see a lot more plant life than you're going to see of tertiary consumers or apex predators. Why is that? That's because there is way more biomass in the producer level than there is in the tertiary consumer level. So biomass, let's put this down here. Whoa, why is it doing that? Hang on, I'm gonna do it over here. Biomass. There is more towards the bottom of a pyramid. Okay? So let's actually discuss what I mean by that. I'm talking about the available energy in each level of the energy pyramid. So down here on the bottom of the pyramid, there's going to be 100% available energy. Okay? As we move up each level, only 10% of the available energy gets passed on. So in our secondary trophic level, there's going to be 10% of energy. In our third level, there's going to be 1%. And in our top level, there's going to be 0.1%. Okay, so you all see how that there's 10% or there's 100% down here at the bottom. Then there's only 10% in the next level, and then only 1% in the next level, and then only 0.1% in the top level. So let's actually do an example of this because you're going to need to know how to do this on your performance final, which is on Thursday of this week, okay? So we're going to pretend that I'm telling you that there is 50,000 kilojoules of energy at the producer level. And my question to you is how much energy is at the tertiary consumer level? Okay, so we will go to the first or the second level, which is our primary consumer. I'm going to give you a hint here. All y'all have to do is drop off one single zero for each level that you go up. So in our primary consumer level, they are going to have 5,000 kilojoules. I'll move it over for you. Okay, and then up here in the third trophic level, there's going to be 500 kilojoules. And then finally, for my answer, it's going to be 50 kilojoules. So I hope that makes sense on energy transfer. Y'all shoot me an email or post in the Padlet on eClass if you have a question about these things, okay? Thanks.